Hello friends. YouTube app has suddenly disappeared from your home screen or app drawer. Don't worry. In many cases, the app hasn't been deleted. It has simply been disabled. When an app is disabled on Android, it becomes hidden and cannot be opened until it is enabled again. Fortunately, turning YouTube back on only takes a few moments. Start by opening the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap Apps or Apps and Notifications depending on your phone model. This section displays all applications installed on your device. Next, scroll through the list and find YouTube. Apps are usually arranged alphabetically, making it easier to locate. Tap YouTube to open the app info page, where you can manage the app's settings and permissions. If YouTube has been disabled, you'll see an Enable button near the bottom of the screen. Simply tap Enable. The app will immediately be restored and become available again in your app drawer and home screen. After enabling the app, it's a good idea to open the Google Play Store and check for any available YouTube updates. Installing the latest version can improve performance, fix bugs, and provide access to the newest features. If you still don't see YouTube after enabling it, try restarting your phone. A quick reboot can refresh the system and ensure the app appears correctly. You're all set. Once enabled, you can open YouTube, sign into your account, watch videos, subscribe to your favorite channels, and enjoy all of the app's features just as before.